Well, hello everybody. Welcome back to Best Life and Beyond. We are here in the car. We're always in the car now.
I know. It's kind of. We should change it to car is where the vlog is.
Car is where the vlog is. Binky's riding shotgun, co-pilot.
As usual. She took over.
She did. The takeover continues. The takeover is real.
So we packed a lunch.
We did.
And we still have a little bit of an issue with our dryer. So we're going to head over to Spencer's mom's house, which is not very far.
Yep.
We have like a whole guest house situation there. So we're going to bring some of our laundry. We packed a lunch.
Yep.
And I'm actually really excited because once again, we had cloud cover, the same as it looked yesterday.
Yep.
So
gloom and doom.
Yeah.
So yeah, and I got some things my mom needs help with. So we'll get into some of that. Here we go.
Another day. Another quarantine day.
Just another quarantine Thursday.
For anybody who's new here, by the way, you may be concerned that we're going over to Spencer's mom's house, but I'm going to just clarify that real quick.
Oh, yeah.
We've been with her since day one, since before this all happened. Doctors know everybody's good, everything's fine. We are totally clear to be over there. Absolutely no issue. It's basically just like a dual residence type thing.
Yep.
So, I don't want people to be concerned or think that we are saying like, just mob over to your family's house. But no,
yeah.
Everything's good.
Yeah.
Trust our judgment on this one. So let's go. Let's go, Spencer.
Let's go.
She did it. Come on, girl. You're almost there. I know it's a lot, but you got it.
Taking a break.
Come on, girl. Come on.
If you walk, then she will. Here she comes.
Yay. Good girl.
Ooh.
Oh my gosh, even the big one.
Look at you.
Okay. We've arrived at Casa de la Spencer. So we're going to move an umbrella. There's my feet. There's my feet. Oh.
She can't come out there, though.
She'll probably be all right.
She can. If she stays with us, she's all right.
Fall through the crack.
No, she can't fall through this.
Yes.
She's too big.
Will you pick her up, please?
Okay. All right, Binky is going to come out here and supervise because we need to move that umbrella there. Listen how nice it sounds here. So we're putting the umbrella so we have some shade because it's been sunny here, unlike in Malibu, where it's a very not sunny situation. Bada bing, bada boom. It's the little things, huh, Binky? Right. She said, good work. Good work. Pip, pip. Huh, Binky? Da, 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 da. Da, da, da. Well, hello. Do you hear that bird?
That's the one who lives in the house.
Yeah, it is. It is. It's the one that lives in the house. You're right. There he is. He's like, you guys, he's like, get off my deck. I need to get into my little house. Oh, listen to him. Hi, buddy. Oh. I love that he has the cutest little, like, he has the cutest little faux hawk, mohawk thing on his head.
He does.
He's so cute. The umbrella is erected.
Oh, I see him up there.
Yeah, you see him?
He's concerned right now.
He's very concerned because he can't get back to his wife and children. We'll just sit here. Go on in there, little buddy. What's his name, you think? He kind of looks like an Alfred to me. What's he saying? Alfred, it's okay. Just go in your little house. Everybody's in there. It's their little saloon. I love that I can just put her on a chair and she just sits like a human. You're relaxing? Guys, this is like a nature show right here. We have a hummingbird right over there, and then there's the hummingbird, and now there's the hummingbird, and I think that's the mama bird because she's a little smaller than Alfred. Where'd the hummer go? Oh!
There's Alfred, huh?
Alfred
He just
has
flew back.
arrived. Yeah, they're together. There's a hummingbird.
Is that the baby?
That's a hummingbird.
Oh yeah, that's a hummingbird.
There's both of them.
Just went inside.
Listen, you can hear the babies. You hear them?
Yeah.
They're in there. There's babies in there.
We need a bird cam inside.
Oh my gosh. Listen to them. Listen to the babies. Stop.
It's hilarious.
And then the
Listen
little...
to them.
All right, I'm out with Binky taking a little stroll. She's got a lot of stuff to sniff. But I just love listening out here. You can hear the squirrels like jumping around. But I hear you. Come on. Oh, I wonder if this is like rosemary. It sure looks like it. Oh, it is rosemary. Oh my gosh, this smells so good. Wow, it's a whole mass of it right here. That smells so good right now. Look how pretty these are. If Spencer were here, I think we all know what he'd be doing. But he's in the house helping his mom. And Binky needed to come out for a little walk, so that's why I'm out here. Wow, look at these. They almost look like little hats. Wow. I love it. Among many other reasons why Binky is the best dog in the world to me is because I've trained her so that I don't ever need to use a leash. Not that I would anyway, because her trachea doesn't like it, I guess. I shouldn't put anything around her like neck. It's like kind of collapsing trachea. Very common in small breed dogs, you know, so couple that with her heart issues. And yeah, she's pretty sensitive to that. But even with a harness, like, she just doesn't like it, doesn't need it. She just walks great on her own. Always stays with me. Don't you, girl? Get this fluffy off of you. Oh, it was a little bug. But yeah, she'll always stay within, you know, a certain amount of feet with me. If I stop, she stops. There we go. Boom. She's pretty well trained. None of my dogs I've ever had actually have ever used leashes. I mean, I'll use them if I need to, like if it's a place where, you know, requires leash. You know, I have a way for that, or I'll carry her. But yeah, I've never needed one. I'm gonna carry Binky up these stairs this time. I think she can only do it like maybe once. I wouldn't put her through more than that. Okay, Binky, up we go. She's like, lead the way. Oh, it feels so good outside right now. It's warm, but kind of cool, like a nice cool breeze. Oh, it feels so good. Love these purple flowers. Like, the purple and green just look so pretty together, don't you think? All right, you may recognize that familiar glow. And that is the glow of InNOut. InNOut. I feel like every time we leave Spencer's mom's house, burgers all about. Binky, are you excited?
She's very excited. Let's
turn on the light. There we go. Are you excited, Binky? You're gonna get some InNOut burgers because some of our friends from the channel have given you super chat money on What's Happening Wednesday so that you can get some burgers.
Yep, she's ready.
She's licking her chops.
She is, and she already cleaned. She knows. She started cleaning her face.
Wait, unroll the window and let me see if she can smell it.
Oh, she can smell it?
Yeah.
Oh, there it is.
There it is. See? I saw it.
She caught it right. The thing just went sideways. Look at it.
There it is.
You know that smell, girl?
Look at, she's sniffing. Where are we? Are we in InNOut?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, look at her little nose. I always used to notice that. And so it's funny she still does it though. Oh girl, she's starting to wake up a little bit there. Oh boy.
Yeah, they gifted you some burgers. Are you excited about that?
So what did you order? Tell us about your order.
I got kind of basic with the double grilled onions, you know.
Okay, nothing wrong with that.
But we got cheesy fries, right?
I did.
Well, I'm stealing some of those. And Binky got her patties, obviously.
Yep. She's going to be very happy.
She's trying to see over the dash.
Yep, but look at her. See, she doesn't, normally she's not really, you know, not too into, you know, what's
Right.
going on, but when she's at InNOut, she knows.
Oh. These are your patties, young lady.
Oh,
Thank you,
boy.
man. You as well.
Thank you. Oh, look at, she's sniffing the bags. What is in there, Mama? What is in there? Okay, so we have pulled off the road. I've moved Binky's bed back here, and I have her burgers. I'm gonna tear one up and give it to her. Are you excited, Binky? Yay! Burger time! Instead of animal style fries, we went with animal fries with no spread, just because I wanted something a little like lighter and easier to eat.
Yeah.
I just wanted cheese fries. So you can get the cheese fries with no onion.
Legit.
I know, or sorry, cheese fries with no spread. So it's just cheese fries and then the grilled onions.
Got it.
Oh yeah. All right, Spencer, have a cheesy fry. Have a cheesy fry.
Don't mind if I do.
Which, by the way, we washed our hands very well, very thoroughly. Oh yeah, that just looks good. Is that amazing or what?
Oh, it's that grilled onion, man.
I know. And sometimes it's good without spread. I'm telling you, every once in a while, I recommend it. I have in my hands our burgers. Why did I have to say it that voice? Here's
Because
Spencer's double-double.
It's a monumental moment.
True. There's my hamburger.
You
Go
realize
ahead and take your double-double.
that InNOut is not just like a fast food establishment.
Yeah.
It's like an experience, and it's an event every time. I don't know anybody who gets InNOut and goes like, yeah, let's grab InNOut and just kind of goes through the motions. Yeah, yeah. It's like every time you're like, yes, yes, we got it. You know,
It's
and
true.
it's like,
While he was talking, I already took a bite. I was like, yeah, that's good. Do the InNOut dance. Do the InNOut dance. Binky, what do you think? She's like, what the heck?
you gotta do the Rocky top of the stairs.
You sure do.
Gonna fly now.
Do 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 do. All right, guys, we are going to eat our burgers now. And that's that. All right, look at how foggy it is. Look at this. It's like we're inside. Whoa! This is crazy. Ladies and gentlemen, that is not my camera. That is, we are in a cloud. It
Ladies
is
and gentlemen,
that.
There is not a forest fire. We are in fog.
We are in fog. Wow. I can't,
It's
wow.
like, it's just getting worse. You know?
It's getting worse, yeah, as we get closer to the beach.
And every day this week has just gotten worse and worse.
Yeah, that's true. Look at this. Oh my goodness. It's like a horror film. This is like we're at Not Scary Farm or Universal and they do the fog machine.
Yeah.
That's what this is. It's like the fog machine. Wow. Look at that. Okay, that was pretty much the entire day. Minus the morning, we kind of laid around for a little bit. I've noticed that like we don't start doing video or filming or anything until about like 1 in the afternoon, and that was kind of the case today. You know, just started cleaning and, you know, sitting there watching TV and you're like, oh my gosh, it's 1? So it happens. Spencer fell asleep and Binky is asleep. Yep, she's asleep. So I am just going to end this video now. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you do, please let us know by giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel. And of course, if you want to support Best Life and Beyond, you can become a Patreon member. All that information will be in the description box below. And for Spencer, I will say, bye-bye, everybody.